Hi, I'm Erin with MeTime, here with a tip on how to get rid of those pesky jump stitches at the end of your project. So today I'm working with part of the toy store. This is part of our collectible Christmas subscription at metimedelivered.com. This is just the front, but it ends up making this cute little three-dimensional toy store that fits in our whole village. So I'm going to be working on this. If you can see, I've got a bunch of tiny little jump stitches that were left when I pulled this out of the hoop. I'm also going to be using the Kimberbell Deluxe embroidery scissor set. And this has 4 scissors, but I'm going to be using 2 of them. And the 2 I'm going to use are the tweezers. And if you look at this, they have a really sharp point, and they actually have a blade on the edge. And then I have the snips. Okay? So if you wear glasses, now is the time to get those out, or if you have a magnifying lamp, that would help too. So I am just going to use these tweezers, and I'm going to pull up the little jump stitch to lift it away from the fabric, and then this just has a tight little blade on the end, and I'm going to snip it right at the root there. Then I grab that again so I can pull it up and snip it right at the end. Whoops. Okay. Let me do one more. I'm going to go between here. So I'm going to pull it up and away and snip, and then I grab the end again and snip right at the base. There you go. So that's my tip on how to get rid of those jump stitches. It works every time. If you want to get this Kimberbell Deluxe embroidery scissor set, you can get this on metimedelivered.com or Amazon or at your favorite quilt shop. Thanks for joining me. Actually so fun, I want to keep going. It really is.